To transfer money from your MBank account to any other bank, start by logging in into your MBank app. Once you are logged in, click here on the money transfer button. As you can see on the screen, we have two options: to make a one-time transfer or to initiate a standing order. For this video, let's focus on a one-time transfer, so click on it. For a one-time transfer, you can send to a beneficiary, that is another bank account, between your MBank accounts to M-Wallet or to Instant and Pay. Since we want to send money to another bank account, simply click on Send to a Beneficiary. Select your account and all your beneficiaries, that means accounts you have already sent money to, will be revealed down here. So to add a new account, tap on New Beneficiary. Select whether the bank account you want to add as your new beneficiary belongs to MBank or belongs to any other UAE bank. Go ahead and start entering the bank account details of your new beneficiary, starting with the nickname you want this account to always show. Enter the IBAN, the full name, and the address. Verify the IBAN, confirm the details, and continue. Again, click on this continue button, give MBank access to your camera, follow the instructions on the screen, take a selfie, and then submit. Guys, this is done for security purposes. Wait for a few seconds while your face gets verified, okay? That is it. Your new beneficiary has been successfully added and you can start sending money to this account instantly. Tap on the done button. So, to send money to this beneficiary, simply click on their name. As you can see from here, it's as easy as eating samosa. So, just enter the amount you want to send and complete this transaction. Guys, that is how you send money from your MBank to any other UAE bank account. If you want to learn how to deposit money into your MBank account using the Fab ATM deposit machines, the video up next will guide you.